Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get the notification at first. So without any further ado, let's tune into the video. In this video, I will be talking about top 5 products from Himalaya. As you all know that Himalaya is a very affordable brand, so that's why I'm making the video to show you some budget friendly products that you can buy from Himalaya, and from them all the products are of best quality, and I will obviously give you review of all the products. So let me just first introduce the brand to you all. This is a vegan brand and it do not perform any animal testing. It is a typical Ayurvedic brand that use natural products, and they also give the disclaimer that if the color of the product changes over time, it's nothing to worry because natural ingredients tend to change the color over time. But I personally haven't seen any change in color in any of the products that I have used so long. So first in our list, I am having the most overhyped product of Himalaya. In all the shopping sites, you can see this product as trending or bestseller list. That is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. It's mainly claimed that it's for teenager, but I suggest that everyone can use it, even men can also use it. So the claims it makes, it is a soap-free herbal formula that removes impurities and prevents pimples. Okay, so I want to tell that yes, it always removes your impurities, but it cannot remove pimples. Okay, but because I had pimples when I was in school, and that time I used to use it. It's my 5th or 6th bottle, so you can understand that how much I used to use it. And this face wash does not give me rid of pimples. It also didn't trigger my pimples also, but it was a nice gentle face wash by which you can purify your skin. If you are a teenager, this is going to be a very good product for you. But if you want a budget friendly face wash of all age groups, you can use this, but this is a little drying. Yes, this is a little drying. It's mainly for oily skin type, but if you are from dry to combination skin, use a thick moisturizer after that, non-comedogenic obviously, to get the result, because this is a non-comedogenic product, and if you use a non-comedogenic moisturizer with it, it will give a very good result. So this is the first product, and I give 4.5 rating out of 5. So next up on our list, we have Himalaya Orange Tan Removal Face Wash. This is really a very good gel based face wash. It claims that this face wash is an effective blend of orange peel and honey, which visibly reduces skin tan and smoothens skin by gently removing the dead skin cells. Okay, so this product is really good if you have a small amount of tan. So one tube of it will not be sufficient for you if you have acquired tan for 4 to 5 years. You will need 6 months to 7 months time to remove it completely. And if you pair this product with the duo, that is the orange peel scrub, then you will get a very good result. So this face wash is priced at rupees 130 for 100 ml product. So if you want to buy it, it's a really yay for my side. You can definitely go and buy it if you want affordable face wash under rupees 150. So next up on my list, I have Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Scrub. This is really a very good face scrub if you have acne prone or oily skin. The main thing I personally like about this product is that it do not contain walnut or apricot particles. That is the main thing that I like about this product. I have seen many affordable brands that they give apricot and walnut particles as scrub, and that's the thing I really do not like, as apricot and walnut give micro tears to your skin that can ruin your skin in long term. So I have stopped using the apricot and walnut scrub, and this product is really a holy grail product if you want an affordable scrub. The particles here are really very much soft and gentle, and it do not have any uneven surface that can hard to your skin. So this is a really very good product, and if you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it. If you do not have pimple or do not have oily sensitive skin, then also you can buy this. You can use this product because it helps in purifying your skin from inside, and it also removes the dead skin layer from your skin that help in brightening and lightening of your skin. So next up on my list I have this Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. It's really a very affordable alcohol-free toner. This is the part I really like because many high-end brand also do not claim alcohol-free product, but this priced at only 84 rupees for 100 ml product claims that it's really a alcohol-free toner, and it's for all skin types. Yes, it's for all skin type. I am having dry skin, so I really like the product. After you apply this product, you feel this like tingling sensation in your face, and the main ingredients here in this toner is written as lentil and lemon. Yes, you can really smell the lemon at first, and after you apply this toner for 2 to 3 minutes you can smell the lentil also. This product is really very good if you have normal to dry and combination skin, but I think that if you have oily skin you can feel it little sticky, because my mother has oily skin and she feels little sticky after applying this toner. And the main drawback I found in this product is this packaging. I really do not like this packaging in toners. If it would come in spray bottle, I would definitely give it a very good rating. And this is also a transparent toner. It really do not have any color, because when I used it in a spray bottle that I have kept for using toner that do not come in spray. So next up on my list I have the Himalaya Clear Complexion Whitening Face Scrub with Skin Lightening Actives. I really do not think that any product can give you skin lightening effect, but it contains licorice and white damar, which will give you a brightened effect to your skin, and it brightens and reveals glowing skin as it claims. This is really a very good face scrub, as the neem face scrub, as I have already told you. You can see the texture, it's a cream texture. The particles are so small that you can't even see. It's really have a very nice texture, and it's a cream based texture. So if you have oily skin you can also use this, because it's a very lighty creamy texture, and the smell is also very nice, and the particles are so much small that you cannot even feel when you are scrubbing your dead skin cells away. It's really a very nice face wash for your brightening up your skin, but it do not contain any lightening effect. At least I haven't seen any lightening effect in it. But if you want a nice purifying face scrub that can give you a brightened and fresh looking effect, you can obviously go for this. It's really very affordable, 75 rupees for 50 gram product. You can also buy the 100 gram product for 120 or 125 rupees I think. So it's really a very good and nice product that I really love the most, because and the smell also, it's really like heaven. The smell is like heaven really. So if you have light hyperpigmentation and acne scars, this product will really help you in lightening that scars. So if you want to buy it, it's really a very good scrub in affordable range. So it's a yay from my side. You can definitely buy this. If you liked my review, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and you can press the bell icon to get the notification at first whenever I will post a new video. Thank you. Have a good day.